Okay, so I have the nose cone mold completed. It's three parts. There's a top portion here, there's a bottom left and a bottom right. You'll see that when I rotate this around. The molds are all set. Obviously it's a kind of a real Frankenstein type of thing. I switched over. I was doing molds in the past with carbon fiber and backing. Makes a really nice mold, things like that, but the trouble is you can't see if there's air bubbles underneath it, and air bubbles later on give you some problems. They break when you're sanding and polishing, then you got to patch and repair. So switching back over to fiberglass mat and resin, I wanted to add a little fiberglass cloth along this edge to really strengthen up these flanges so when you're handling it and pulling it out of the mold it doesn't crack anything. My orders are back ordered. I'm waiting on supplies to come in, so instead I pulled out my bin of scrap carbon fiber pieces and all these odd little pieces I get over the time. So I just laid these all up in here to strengthen up the corners. What I'll be doing next, I'll be going along with the drill and drilling 1/8 inch holes along the way, and then installing these called Cleco locks, little locks to hold the molds together, because obviously once I start, the next after this will be jigsaw with a special blade for cutting composites, cutting along the edges to finish this off, and that's a lot of vibration. I don't want the mold parts to break loose. Drilling these holes now and putting these Cleco locks is the best alignment I have, so later on that the molds will line up properly. I do have registration dots here between the top and the bottom portions, just to make sure everything's lined up well. And here's the Cleco locks. When you push it in, those two pieces will fit through an 1/8 inch hole. Let it back in, it expands out and holds it in place. So it's a really nice, quick, simple system. Now that I have the edges cut off, I'll probably sand those down a little smoother later on, but now it's time to take this thing off. The three pieces came off well. Took a little persuasion to get that top piece off, but they came out really nice. No big defects and things I have to fix that I can see. So on with polishing and cleaning up.